Hi, welcome to CIS Innovation Fair.
I am your guide today. Let's explore together. Here is AI and robotics. Students are building and testing real models. ECE, so fun. I like this place. Here, build, race, and code. Designing and testing their own cars. Loose parts creation. Exploring free building. Hands-on motion. Making things move. Fort building. Creating their own space. So creative. Impressive. Let's see what's next. Elementary. This booth turns flowers into perfumes. Look here, they're bringing plants back to life. Interesting. Here, you can DIY your own pencil holder. I am learning this too. Let's give the teachers a round of applause. Here, they are creating their own dream school. They made these robotic hands. I could use this. They're designing and testing rockets to see what flies best. Applause for their creativity. Hi, Mr. Darren. Caring for the earth is something we do together. Humans, you are very kind. Now, things are different. Secondary. They're using solar energy to power homes and schools. You're so smart. Nice to meet you, Mr. Nathan. Grade 8, they're turning their ideas into games. That looks fun. Hi, Mr. Kevin. Wait, grade 9 is so rich and impressive. Waste supports, earthquake-proof buildings, solar irrigation systems, 3D printed phone cases. So many real-world ideas. Amazing! Beautiful. They're expressing ideas through art. I like this. I heard there are performances in the W Hall. Let's see. Wow, Dr. Wang, MIT PhD, is sharing. Student JT tells his innovation story. Music from grade 1 to 8. That's so fun. Oh, they even have outdoor activities. That'd be cool. Humans, we are becoming good friends. Maybe this is the future. CIS, innovate today, lead tomorrow.